Today we're making 3D printed bookmarks to thank our volunteers that change over at the end of the semester. I start off by designing a bookmark in Canva, and you'll notice I'm only working in 3 colors. Once it's done there, I'm going to download it, and then I'm going to go to Maker World, and I'm going to open a program they have called Image to Keychain. This program is going to help me convert my PNG into a file that can be 3D printed. I match up the colors, and then I download it and drag it onto my print bed. I fill it with as many copies of the bookmark as possible and then do some slicing and send it to the printer. The bookmarks are approximately 1 millimeter thick and it took about 3.5 hours to print 5 copies. Because I printed them face down on a textured print bed, they do this fun shiny thing in the light. I'll make some changes for the next batch, but overall, I think they're pretty fun.